Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add values to your habit on the habit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the plus icon down below and select a habit. If you want to mark it as a count, tap on the count button if you have completed your new habit, and you can add the value by tapping on the plus icon down below. You can type in the value and click on the check mark icon. If you want to add the memo, you can tap on the memo button and check out the statistics to add the bottom. So here you will be able to check out your improvement. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.